Hi everybody, my name is Natasha Crespo and I am your Reference and Digital Access Librarian here at PNW, and today we're going to be going over how to select a database to search. This is going to build off of the last EBSCO search we did, so make sure you get to the library homepage and let's get started. Now, on the actual library homepage, we do have a link for our database list. And you can also see that EBSCO search that we used last time. EBSCO is a database of databases, and we actually have 28 different databases that are available there. So when you do use this EBSCO search on our homepage, you are searching more than one database. You're able to do a federated search. However, let's actually take a look at our database list. Now when you click here, you're going to notice that our databases are organized from A to Z, and we do have descriptions for each database to give you an idea of what you're going to be able to find in it. If you wanted to see just the ones we have available through EBSCO, you can click on All Vendors/Providers. Go down and find EBSCO, and it's going to give you just the 28 that we have listed. Now, when you're actually citing something that you find through one of these databases, you do need to put the name of the database instead of putting EBSCO search or EBSCO. So if you found something in Applied Science and Technology full text in your citation, that's what you would need to use. Now, if you click on any one of these databases, so let's look at CINAHL Complete, it's going to give you a similar screen to any database we have that's available through EBSCO. It's going to have our white background, our search box, their logo, and up here it's going to tell you which database you're actually searching. So we're looking at CINAHL Complete. You can click on Choose Databases and select more than one if you would like to search more than one at a time. However, when you open up your search to more than one database, you also open up the number of results you're getting, and depending on your topic, this could give you too many results. If you're having a hard time finding anything, it could help open it up to a broader number of resources. So make sure you try your search through one database first and consider how your results are coming up. Now, CINAHL is primarily used by our nursing, so I'm going to look for more databases we have in here that might have information about health. So I will check Medline with full text. If you're not sure what any of these databases do, you can check our A to Z list and read the description, or you can also go to the little blurb that's next to it, and it's going to give you an information box that details more information about what this database will cover. Sometimes the titles are descriptive enough, and sometimes they aren't. Okay, and maybe I'll try Health Source, Nursing/Academic, and I'll also pick Health Source Consumer because I am not a nurse, and consumer information might benefit me for the research I'm doing. Okay, so I have 4 databases selected right now. I'll click OK. And after selecting those databases, I now have more limiter options than I would have had if I was only searching CINAHL. And I am going to go ahead and search for information related to heart failure. It's giving me suggestions. Okay, and I've done my search, and using just these 4 databases, I have 243,000 results. So this is what I mean when I say it can give you too many, right? At this point, I would start using limiters to limit it down, or I might decide to only look at one database. If you go all the way down to the bottom, it'll tell you how many results are actually coming from each different database. So when you're beginning your research, consider the research topic you have and take a look at our A to Z list to see which databases might actually be beneficial for finding the information that you need. If you have any questions, please contact OIT or the library, and thank you for joining us.